Alright, what's up, guys? This is Pocket Trains, as you can see. $100,000, bulk gold. Got tons and tons of crates. So, we're gonna start a job so we can go to the store. Here you go. Still got tons and tons of crates. Sorry for the focus. It just don't stop. It doesn't end. The camera really don't. There we go. So, yep, as you see, tons of crates, 700,000 and counting. Everything works. I've already beaten the game because I'm awesome like that. But you can get the game at AndroidGameHacks.info. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group located in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm out.